I see three.
They are ready, you just have to wait for somebody to be available to know.
Yeah, just wait for the text message. You'll get a text that'll confirm that you're getting text message.
If you're not on cigarettes, there's Dr. Register at aisle one. If you're not on cigarettes, there's Dr. Register at aisle one.
Okay, you just send it, you'll get the text message as soon as it's ready. Okay.
Let me close.
We don't, because you know, you were there, you could do that. I was gonna
Takes
say.
so long, you gotta wait. What, you lose 2 hours?